Today on Nooner Garage, we've got some parts in the shop. Over there from Summit Racing, we got the Summit Stage 2 camshaft in the big box. Little box, I believe, with the motor mounts. And we got the pack springs over here. What are they, the 1218s? And also in these smaller boxes, we've got those roller skates that we put underneath the wheels. Those came from China through Harbor Freight. And part number is right over here. Part number HW, what is that? HWD630486. They are a 4-pack. I'm guessing 2 and 2 in the packaging there. So we're gonna get that up on roller skates, and actually probably might clean. I got the pistons soaking in gunk, carburetor, and parts cleaner. And trying to clean all of the junk, or the gunk, I guess, out of the piston ring grooves. Man, those things were stuck. There's a bunch of them there that were really stuck. A bunch of them over here that are also out. I had to stick them back in there in order to get more of the junk off of it. So anyway, stay tuned. Alright, so we got the old rat-a-tatter nut installer 9000 ready to go. We got a 19mm socket on there. And we got a bunch of wheels. They go in the holes. So we'll do that. Hey, ho. And do that about 600 billion more times and we'll be done. Didn't get as much done today as I wanted. Granddaughter was helping, but got to go inside and get some food. Anytime Granddaughter helps, it's more than worth it. Got to put up with the occasional dance number, and little baby dolly in the shop, but so worth it when she's helping me out here. So anyway, like, comment, subscribe. Hopefully we'll be out here assembling the engine pretty quick. So later.